In this video, we're going to be factoring out a common binomial. And the greatest common binomial factor, the binomial ax plus by to the n power, is the greatest common factor of a polynomial if ax plus by is a factor in each term and n is the smallest exponent of ax plus by among all the terms in the polynomial. So in one, they want us to factor out the greatest common factor from the first expression and the common binomial from the second expression. Note the similarity between each pair of expressions. So our first expression in A is 2xu plus 3yu. And our greatest common factor is u. So we have a u in both terms. And when we factor that out, we're left with 2x plus 3y. And in our second expression in A, we have 2x times a plus b plus 3y times a plus b. And our common binomial is going to be a plus b. And we're going to be left with 2x plus 3y. So you can see the similarity between these two expressions as our 2x plus 3y factor is the same, and u was replaced by a plus b. In b, we have 3abu minus au plus bu, and the common factor is u, so we're going to factor out a u, and we're left with 3ab minus a plus b. And in our second expression in b, we have 3ab times x plus y minus a times x plus y plus b times x plus y. So we're going to factor out the binomial x plus y, and we're going to be left with 3ab minus a plus b. So again, from our first expression in b to our second expression in b, u was replaced by x plus y. In c, we have 6au plus 3bu plus u, and our common factor is u, and we're left with 6a plus 3b plus 1. Remember, u divided by u is 1. And then in our second expression in c, we have 6a times x minus 3 plus 3b times x minus 3 plus x minus 3. So our common binomial is going to be x minus 3. And then we're left with 6a plus 3b plus 1. So from our first expression to our second expression, u was replaced by x minus 3. In D, we have 5yv minus 10v squared, and our greatest common factor is going to be 5v. And if we factor a 5v out, we're left with y minus 2v. In our second expression, we have 5y times x plus 7 minus 10 times x plus 7 squared. And we have a common factor of 5 that can come out, and then our common binomial that we can factor out is x plus 7. So we're going to have 5 times x plus 7 times, if we factor out a 5 times x plus 7 from 5y times x plus 7, we're left with y minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then we have a factor of x plus 7. And we can see that the v from our first expression was replaced by an x plus 7 in our second expression. In 2, it says, factor the expression a times x minus 5 plus b times 5 minus x. And the first thing they want us to do is rewrite 5 minus x so the leading term is positive. If we want to change the signs inside our parentheses, we can factor out a negative 1. So I can rewrite this as a times x minus 5. And if we factor a negative 1 out, we'll have negative 1 times b will be negative b. and then our signs will change inside the parentheses. We'll have negative 5 plus x. And now they want us to rewrite the expression, so we're going to rewrite this and say a times x minus 5 minus b. And instead of writing negative 5 plus x, I'm going to write x minus 5. And now they want us to factor out the common binomial. And our common binomial is x minus 5. So we have x minus 5 times a minus b. And that's our video on factoring out a common binomial.